morning children. Today we are going to make a paper cup toy. So children, do you know what we are going to make? Yes, we are going to make a jumping frog. So let's start making it. So the materials, we have already provided you with the materials. So let's see how to make it. So for that we need 2 paper cups that should be wrapped with green sheets. Okay children, now we have to cut 2 green legs. With the green paper you have to cut 2 green legs of the frog. Then you have to take the red sheet and cut the mouth of the frog. Then you have to take yellow color sheet and make a crown of the frog. Then with green sheet you have to make 2 eyes of the frog. Then 2 rubber bands like this, gum and scissors. So let's start making it. So first we are going to take the 1 paper cup. Okay. Now let us paste the eyes of the frog. So 2 eyes I am going to paste it. So let's paste it like this. 2 eyes like this. 1 eyes. Now the next eyes. Now the next eyes. So the 2 eyes is ready. Now let us paste the mouth. We are going to paste the mouth like this. Mouth is ready. Now let us fix the crown. The crown of the frog is ready. Now 2 legs. First leg ready. Now the next leg. Now we are going to paste the second leg like this. Now our frog is ready. Now we are going to put the rubber bands. For that we have to turn the cup like this and we have to cut it. Okay. So first I am going to cut this side. You have to make a small cut. Okay. So I am going to make a small cut here like this. Small cut. Then just opposite side also you have to make a small cut. Then this side, these 2 sides also I am going to make a cut. Yes, and same way the opposite side also cutting. Now we have to take 2 rubber bands and you have to cut the rubber bands and tie the 2 ends of the rubber bands like this. Make a knot at the 2 ends of the rubber bands like this. 2 knots at the end of two knots at the end like this. Both rubber bands should be like this, 2 knots at the end of the rubber band. So I am going to take one rubber band and I am going to put this in one cut like this. Then the opposite also same way we have to put it inside the rubber band like this, like cross. Now let us take the next cup and we are going to keep it like this and press it like this and it will jump. Once more, let us keep this and press it like this and it jumps like this. So our jumping frog is ready.